Stop. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel right now, do not do it. Not until you watch this video, because 99% of people who start a YouTube channel quit within 3 months, and I am going to tell you exactly why. And trust me, you are probably making at least one of these mistakes right now. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 things you must do before starting a YouTube channel. If you skip even one of these, forget YouTube. Seriously. But if you do all 5, you will grow faster than 90% of creators out there. Let's go. Number 1, find your niche. Pick one topic and stick to it. Most people start a channel and just talk about everything. Food one day, gaming the next, travel the day after, and then they wonder why nobody subscribes. Here is the truth. YouTube does not know who to show your videos to if you do not know what your channel is about. Pick one topic, just one, something you love and something people actually search for. That is your niche. No niche equals no growth, period. And wait, tip number 3 is the one most creators never talk about. It is the real reason channels blow up. Keep watching. Number 2, study your competition before making your first video. Before you film a single second, go watch the top 10 channels in your niche. See what titles they use. See what thumbnails they make. See what topics get millions of views. If you skip this step, you are basically driving with your eyes closed. Most people just start filming without doing any research. Do not be that person. Spend just 2 hours studying your competitors, and you will already be ahead of 80% of new creators. Oh, and by the way, are you doing this right now? Be honest with yourself, because most of you watching have already started a channel and never did this. Don't worry, it's not too late. Keep going. Number 3, be consistent. Post on a schedule no matter what. Here's the dirty little secret nobody tells you. The YouTube algorithm loves creators who show up regularly. It doesn't care if your first 10 videos are bad, it just cares that you keep posting. Most people post 3 videos, get 0 views, and quit. But the creators who win, they commit to posting once a week for 6 months straight. No excuses. Set a schedule. Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever works for you, and then protect that schedule like your life depends on it. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, but I don't have time. That's the exact lie that has killed thousands of YouTube channels before they had a chance. Tip 4 will fix this for you.
Number 4, learn the basics of SEO, titles, thumbnails, and keywords. You could make the best video in the world, but if your title is boring and your thumbnail is ugly, nobody clicks, nobody watches, nobody subscribes. YouTube is a search engine, just like Google. You need to use the right words in your title so people can actually find your video. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find what people are searching for. Make your thumbnail look like something a 10-year-old would want to click on. Bright, clear, curious. That is the formula. And the last one, tip 5, is honestly the most important one. Most huge YouTubers say this is what made the biggest difference in their growth. You do not want to miss this. Number 5, build a community. Reply to every comment in your first 3 months. YouTube does not just reward videos, it rewards channels where people stay and talk. When someone leaves a comment and you reply, that person becomes a loyal fan. They come back, they share your video, they tell their friends. In your first 3 months, reply to every single comment you get. Every single one. This tells the algorithm your channel is alive and active, and it will push your videos to more people. This one habit alone can change everything. So, to recap, before you start a YouTube channel, you need to pick your niche, study the competition, stay consistent, learn SEO, and build your community. Miss even one of these and you are setting yourself up to fail. But do all 5? YouTube can change your life. I promise you that. If this video helped you, smash that like button right now. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps this video reach more people who need to hear this. And if you want to grow on YouTube the right way, subscribe and hit the bell, because I am dropping videos every week with tips that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 tips did you not know before watching this? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.